Hey folks, it's Craig Miller talking to you today about getting a loan. Now, this is a topic that I like to talk about, and that is installment loans. Installment loans are a necessity for many people who live from one paycheck to another and simply do not always have the means to cover their bills and pay them on time. Now, what an installment loan is typically used for is to cover unanticipated expenses or to bridge the gap between one payday to another for those who are not able to have a savings. So, that being said, today we're going to be looking at getting an installment loan in the state of Georgia. Now, no matter where you live in Georgia, whether you're in Atlanta or Macon or elsewhere, there's an installment lender near you. So I got started here by just doing a simple search for installment loans in Georgia using Bing. And let's take a look at a couple lenders here in the area. How about Credit Central? Now, Credit Central has several loan offices in the area, from Augusta to Perry to Savannah to Statesboro. They have 7 locations, so you just simply click on one. Let's say that you live in Savannah, Georgia, and you're looking for a loan. It says right here that you must live within a 25-mile radius of their office, which is located Hodgson Memorial Drive in Savannah, Georgia. So if you live within 25 miles of this location, you can get a loan between $310 and $1,050 for a period of between 7 and 12 months. Let's take a look again at this website. And they actually offer loans in 4 different states: Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and Tennessee. Currently, they just opened a few new locations here in Alabama, a couple in Georgia, a couple in South Carolina. So let's learn about loans in Georgia. As we mentioned, you can get a $310 loan to a $1,050 loan, and your payments are going to be anywhere from $60 per month to 115 months, depending on your interest rate and the amount of money you borrow and the length of time. So basically, it says that their loan application is hassle-free, and the process of getting an installment loan can help restore or rebuild credit history. So if you're more than likely suffering from bad credit, and by getting an installment loan and paying it back on time, then companies such as Credit Central actually report to the credit bureaus whenever you make a payment on time. So that's something that you want to keep in mind if you're interested in rebuilding credit. Now, it says right here that their credit policies are fairly liberal. So if you're looking for a loan and you might have something wrong with your credit or some other factor, then they looks like they might be willing to work with you. So that's just one of the many lenders in the state of Georgia. Let's go back here to the search results and let's take a look at one other one. How about iloans90.com? This website has several locations across the U.S. and one of them happens to be in the state of Georgia. So you can see here, this is the complete list of locations. Sugar Hill, Georgia. If you live there, then they offer loans there. It says 100% secure, no credit check, cash today. Let's take a look at their rates and fees. It appears that this website actually gets you connected with loan brokers because they don't actually list the fees and current interest rates because each loan officer is going to be different. So that's something that you might want to keep in mind. Once again, that goes back to dealing with a direct lender versus an indirect lender, whereas with a direct lender you're going to be dealing directly with someone. The person that's making the decision is the one who's actually loaning you the money, and this does not appear to be a direct lender. So let's take a look at what the state rates are here for the state of Georgia. It says prohibited. Now we know that's not true. Because there's several lenders in the area that are offering these types of loans. So let's look at another one here. Alabama and Georgia installment loans. It says right here that more savings, convenient, quick approval. So that's for a car title loan. Let's take a look at the installment loan that they're offering, which I don't actually see on this page. Installment loans up to $10,000. Your car title is your credit. No, they're calling this an installment loan, but really this is a title loan, and they're calling it an installment loan, which is not a true installment loan. But anyhow, if you want to put your car title up, you may want to consider a car title loan, although that's a whole nother ball game. We're not going to talk about that right now. About Sterling Finance Company. 48-month installment loans, fixed rate, fixed payment. Get your loan within 24 hours. Processing just takes a day. Kind of tells you the process right here. And then, so it seems like your basic installment loan company. Except they offer up to $20,000 as far as the fixed term loan. So let's click on the apply button, and it's going to take us to an application asking for loan amount, contact information, your information. So if you want to go with these guys, it's called Sterling Finance Company, and you can find them on the internet. Just fill out the application, and they say within 24 hours you'll receive a response. So that's about all there is to finding an installment loan in Georgia. If you have any more questions, visit my website, and the link to that is located below this video. Thanks for watching.